how to verify your business credit scores. Okay? Now, there are three major business credit bureaus that you should be looking at. There's Experian Business Credit Division, Equifax Business Credit Division, and Dun & Bradstreet or DNB. These are three separate business credit bureaus, and they do not communicate with each other. Now, the problem with business credit is that it is not regulated like personal credit. So unlike personal credit, which is going to be Experian Personal, Equifax Personal, and TransUnion Personal, they are any bank, lender, creditor, or vendor that you have a relationship with is required by law to report every 30 days. They are required to do that. But on the business credit side, they're not required to do that. So most creditors and vendors and lenders, they don't report. That's an additional responsibility, a different department and employees and costs that they would have to incur, and there's no requirement for them to do it. So why would they do that, right? And so this is why business credit is difficult or more complicated than personal credit, is because they're not required to report. I've had clients who have been in business for 15 and 20 years that have relationships with 5 to 10 different vendors. They have 5 to 10 credit cards, 5 different business loans. They've been very responsible, and they naturally assume, because of all of that, that they had an excellent business credit profile. But when we went to go verify the business credit, nothing. Not one of those accounts were reporting. And that's because they're not required to. So building your business credit is a little trickier than building your personal credit. And it takes a strategic approach so that you can build not just Dun & Bradstreet, but Experian and Equifax. Now, there's a lot of YouTube gurus and folks on YouTube University who say just do this or just do that. You don't need to do this. You don't need to do that. Because they have their limited experience as a person who built up some business credit just to accomplish one goal or objective. Now, the thing is, you can be true and you can be right, I should say, and you can be wrong at the same time. And that's what's going on. So when I teach you how to build your business credit, I teach you a holistic approach, which means you're going to be building Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. And you're going to be building your business credit so that whatever comes at you in the future, you'll be able to take advantage of it. You won't be limited to one dimension. You'll be able to take advantage of different types of funding, different types of opportunities that your business credit will open up for you. True story. One of my clients, a marketing company, entered a marketing competition where he was competing with over 100 other companies for a multi-million-dollar contract. It came down to him and one other company. The final decision-making factor that the company that was hiring, that was holding this competition, the final thing that they looked at to make their decision is who had the best business credit. The other company, they didn't really have much. My client, he did. As a result, he won the contract. Now, when he started building his business credit, that is not what he was thinking about. He wasn't thinking about winning a competition. He just wanted to set up his business so it would be credible and he can qualify for an SBA loan and maybe try to get some other funding, maybe credit cards or even buy a vehicle or a car in the business name with no personal guarantee. But he wasn't thinking about winning a competition. Certain industries, you're going to be able to open doors to bigger contracts. You're going to be able to open doors to larger bonds if you have good business credit. So do not disqualify this as something that's not necessary, because though people that are out there that are saying that, they don't know what they're talking about. Their perspective is limited, and they're only thinking about one aspect of getting funding based on their limited experience. So make sure you take what I say and research it. If you'd like to schedule a call to discuss further, I'm happy to spend some time explaining it to you in more detail. Now, topic at hand is, how to check your business credit. So you can go to Experian.com, and actually the website address is going to be smartbusinessreports.com, and that's going to give you Experian's business credit report and scores. You can also go to Equifax.com and select the business side and set up an account there, and you can go to Dun & Bradstreet. But the problem is, by the time you go to those 3 business credit bureaus, you're going to end up spending hundreds of dollars, maybe anywhere from $150 to $300 to access your 3 business credit scores and your detailed history. So there's a solution that is going to allow you to monitor and verify your business credit, and that solution is NAV. NAV is a business credit monitoring website that will give you access to all 3 business credit bureaus, plus NAV is going to give you access to the SBSS score, which is the small business scoring system from the SBA. The Small Business Financial Exchange collects data from the major business credit bureaus, presents that to the SBA, and they created the SBSS score, which is required if you have 2 or more years in business and you're looking to get approved for an SBA 7A loan. NAV will give you all 3, and it'll be a very low monthly payment. It's about $60 a month to get access to your 3 business credit scores. Now, what's crazy is NAV also reports your monthly payment to the 3 business credit bureaus. So by having a NAV account, not only are you able to monitor and verify your business credit, but you're also building business credit. It's reporting. So this is an account that is going to report to your business credit profile. Now, recently, NAV has created a product called the NAV Prime card. This is a charge card that will report your transactions to your business credit profile. So now you have NAV's monthly payment for the account that reports to the business credit bureaus, and that's so that you can monitor your business credit. But you also have the NAV Prime card that you can apply for with no personal guarantee, no personal credit check, and you will be able to use this card connected to your bank account, and basically your transactions will be reported to your business credit. So that means that NAV reports 2 separate accounts to your business credit profile. That's amazing. This is one account that is going to do so much for you. It's going to allow you to monitor your credit, see your business credit scores, and it's going to report its monthly payment to your business credit profile. You apply for the NAV Prime card, and you're going to be able to use that card. It's a business card, and that card is going to report to your business credit profile as well. So that's the NAV Prime card. Now, they also have a business checking account that you can get, and it's all bundled into the NAV Prime package. So you're going to see a link in the description below that is going to give you a 50% discount by using the promotional code that I put in the link in the description below, so that you can take advantage of your NAV account to verify your business credit scores, verify and monitor your business credit, build business credit, as well as get access to the NAV Prime card, which is going to also build your business credit. So this is one account that is going to do all 3 things in one. I hope this is of great value to you guys. This by itself is such a powerful tool that every single business owner should be using. And of course, if you want one-on-one consulting and coaching on how to build your business credit further, you can schedule a free consultation and we can talk about coaching. If you're looking for business funding, whether it's an SBA 7A loan, equipment financing, asset-based lending, term loans, lines of credit, credit cards, whatever type of funding you're looking for, please schedule a call, and I'm happy to assist you in giving you a free assessment to evaluate your credit and determine if you qualify and what you can qualify for. Take advantage of NAV today so that you can verify your business credit as well as build your business credit and get access to the NAV Prime card today.